Hey guys, a very good afternoon to all of you. Hoping that each one of you is absolutely fine. So actually, this is lecture 3 of triangles. Lecture 2 lectures we have already done. So let's proceed. Let's get started. ओके तो कल मैंने बताया था कि कल मैंने एंगल सिमिलैरिटी और साइड सिमिलैरिटी और साइड सिमिलैरिटी वाले बता दिए थे एंड मैंने बोला था कि एक राइट ट्रायंगल का बचा हुआ है, तो आज वही करते हैं सबसे पहले। ओके सो देखो इसकी थ्योरम क्या होती है। देखो ड्रॉ लाइक अ ट्रायंगल, एक्चुअली दिस इज राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। Okay, right angled at A. Okay. So, what theorem says? If a perpendicular is drawn, from the right angle of the right angle triangle, what theorem says is if a perpendicular is drawn from the right angle of the right angle triangle, okay, then the triangles on both the sides of this perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. Okay, then the two triangles on the other side of this perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and similar to each other. Okay, so given क्या है? What is given? Let's say this is angle 1. Let's say this is 2. Let's say this is 4. Let's say this is 3. Okay? मैंने नेम दे दिया, बार-बार ऐसे लिखना पड़ेगा ना कि angle BAD. So for the sake of simplicity, we have just given the name. Okay? Okay. So what is given right here is ABC is a right angle triangle right angled at sorry, this is angel actually right angle at A. Okay, ठीक है, and AD is perpendicular. Okay, AD is perpendicular to triangle BAC. Sorry, ABC भी लिख सकते हो, whatever. Okay, अब देखो to prove मैंने क्या कहा था, triangles on both the side of this perpendicular are similar to each other and to the whole triangle. So what we have to prove is actually triangle BAC is similar to triangle BAD. ठीक है, second thing which we have to prove is triangle CAD is similar to triangle CAB. Okay, and the next thing which we have to prove is triangle ABD is similar to triangle ADC. Okay, these three things we have to prove. Okay, so let's do proof. देखो we have already done angle similarity and its corollary actually, and its corollary that is angle similarity. तो ये वाली चीज़ हम लोग एंगल सिमिलैरिटी से प्रूफ करेंगे, एंगल एक्चुअली कॉरोलरी से। ओके, तो आप लोग आगे क्या लिखेंगे, एंगल कॉरोलरी। ओके ओके, पहले ये पहले फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट प्रूफ करते हैं। BAC इज इक्वल्स टू, या देखो एंगल 1 इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल 1, दैट इज कॉमन थिंग। ठीक ना, angle BDA is equals to angle BAC 90 degrees each. Okay, so दो angles हम लोगों ने equal कर दिए हैं. Then by लिख लेना by या डायरेक्टली लिखो आप लोग. Just a second. Triangle BAC is similar to triangle BAD by angle corollary. First thing prove हो गई. Okay. Next thing लिख लेना ये ट्रायंगल BAD ये हम ऐसे पार्ट 1 कर देंगे. ठीक है, this so that you guys can understood this easily. Okay. Second part. Angle 4 is equals to angle 4. Again this is common. Because these two parts are so easy, but in the third part we have to think a little. Okay, so don't worry. It is also easy, but we have to think a little more in this. Okay. Angle 4 is equals to angle 4. Again the reason is the common. Okay, and the same what we have done in the first, just doing this also. Angle CDA is equals to angle CAB, and again the reason is 90 degrees each. Okay. So angle CAD similar to triangle CAB by the same reason, this. Okay, so note down this. Okay, then we will further move. Okay, noted. Okay. Okay, what the third says is ABD is similar to triangle ADC. Okay. Just a second. Okay, so कैसे करोगे? So simple. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equals to 90 degree, because angle like angle BED plus angle B plus angle ADB is equals to 180 degrees. है ना? The sum of the angles of triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So one is 90 degrees, then sum of other two will definitely be 90 degrees, which is obvious, and you all know this. Okay. Now angle 2 plus angle 3 is also equals to 90 degree. Why? Because ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at what? Right angle at it. So definitely definitely ABC is 90 degree and the BAC is 90 degrees right hand. Okay. So इन दोनों को equate कर सकते हैं ना? Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equals to, this is actually the sign of equals. This gets not this. Actually this gets cancelled out. 1 is equals to angle 3. Okay. First condition is true. Now what second says is angle BAD is equals to angle CAD. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle ADC by again angle corollary. Okay. So note down. Okay. So let's do some easy questions, then we move to some tough questions. Okay. पहले कुछ easy questions करते, so that your concepts will be crystal clear. Okay. एक बहुत easy क्वेश्चन लेते हैं पहले. Let's say this is A, B, C. Actually, the thing which is given is triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDE. Okay? And what we have to find is, this is 6, this is 12, this is 10, and this is 5. Okay? And we have to find this X and this Y. Actually, we have to find AD and DE. Okay? So let's do it. ये triangle देखो दोनों similar है तो क्या हो जाएगा? BD upon AB is equals to BE upon BC हो जाएगा ना? BD upon BA is equals to BE. 6 plus x is equals to 5 upon 15. This is 6. Okay. So 15 is 90 is equals to 30 plus x. X is equals to 16. What degrees is 60? It is just 60. Calculation सही है. This is 50. This is 6 plus x. Okay. Now for y, it is BE upon BC is equals to DE upon AC, where is BE 5 upon 15 is equals to DE by 1. AC is what? Just a second. This is 5x actually. है ना? नहीं मैं सोचो इतनी बड़ी वैल्यू कैसे आ रही है? 60 is equals to 5x, x is equals to 5 into 5 factors of 10. Okay? Y upon 12. Okay? Y is equals to 4. Okay? Done. Okay guys, let's move to another question. Figure is like this. This is actually 125 degrees. This is 70 degrees. And let's say this is A, B, C, D. The thing which is given is triangle OAB not equals is similar to triangle OCD. Okay, and what we have to find is, let's say this is angle 1, this is angle 2, and this is angle 3. So we have to find angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. So first pause the video, try this question by yourself for at least 2 minutes, then I'll do the question. Okay? So let's do the question. Angle 1 plus 125 degrees is equals to 1 degrees. Why? Because linear pair, the reason is linear pair. Okay? 180 degrees minus 125 degrees is equals to 55 degrees. Okay? So for angle 2, we are going to apply the sum of triangles. Sum of angles of triangles is 180 degrees. Okay, angle 1, that is 55 degrees, plus angle 2 plus 70 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, angle 2 is equals to 180 degrees minus of like 5, and this is 125. Yeah. Angle 2 is again 55 degrees. Okay, so angle 1, angle 2 दोनों में equal आ चुके, and for angle 3, the thing from equation 1, this is given actually. Okay, OAB triangle is similar to triangle OCD. Okay, then angle 2 is equals to angle 3, and we have already find the angle 2, and that is 55 degrees. So angle 3 is 55 degrees. Okay, so know this question. Okay, so let's do another question. Now the question is, the ratio of the perimeters of the two triangles of the two similar triangles is equals to their proportional sides. Okay, so first draw two triangles, two similar triangles. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, this is F. ठीक है, इनकी साइड्स की कुछ देखो, क्या प्रूफ क्या करना है मुझे टू प्रूफ. पहले तो गिवन लिख लेते हैं ना. गिवन क्या है? The thing which is given is a triangle. What is going on here? Triangle ABC, similar triangle DEF. Okay, to prove perimeter of ABC upon perimeter upon of DEF, of triangle DEF. Okay, let's say इनकी साइड से कुछ नेम दे देते हैं for the sake of simplicity. A B C P Q R. What we have to prove is A upon Q is equals to B upon R is equals to C upon P. So what you guys do? First pause the video, try this question for at least of 2 minutes, then I will be doing. Okay. देखो एक्चुअली इसको डी लेट कर लेते क्योंकि ये सी मैंने पहले से लेट कर लिया है, तो डी आता है. ओके, आपको कंफ्यूजन हो इस वजह से. ओके, सो लेट्स डू द क्वेश्चन. देखो ये दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है, तो इनकी साइड्स प्रोपोर्शनल होंगी. B upon R is equals to D upon P. Let's say this is some K. Okay, this is some K. तो A क्या हो जाएगा? KQ. B क्या हो जाएगा? RK. ठीक है, P actually D will be KP. ओके, इतनी चीज मिल गई. इसको इक्वेशन 1 लेट कर लेते हैं. अब इस चीज ये वाला टर्म पूरा उठाते हैं. पेरीमीटर क्या होता है? P से डिनोट कर देते हैं P ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC अपॉन P ऑफ ट्रायंगल DEF is equals to A plus B plus D अपॉन P plus Q plus R. ठीक, A को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? KQ प्लस RK प्लस KP अपॉन P प्लस Q प्लस R. ठीक है, K कॉमन लिया यहाँ पे. P प्लस Q प्लस R अपॉन P प्लस Q प्लस R. This cancels out. And what the thing is remain is equals to K. Let's say this is equation first. So from equation 1, है ना, this is equation 1 ना. And from equation 2, what we got is perimeter of triangle ABC upon perimeter of triangle DEF is equals to A upon Q is equals to B upon R is equals to D upon P. Hence proved. Okay, so note the answer. Okay, so let's do another question. Triangle given क्या है? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is Q. Okay, ये given है हमको, ठीक? ED is median of triangle ABC and PM is median of triangle PQR. ठीक है, प्रूफ क्या करना है? टू प्रूफ AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. This is the first thing, and the second thing which we have to prove is angle EDC is equals to angle PMR. Try करो एक बार, then I'll be doing the question. Okay. Okay? Done. Let's do the question. पहले first part करते हैं, ठीक? ये दोनों सिमिलर ट्रायंगल है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? AB अपॉन PQ इज इक्वल्स टू BC अपॉन QR इज इक्वल्स टू AC अपॉन PR. ठीक है, मतलब किससे? इससे इससे, इस वाली साइड से मतलब नहीं है, इन दोनों साइड्स को ले लें. ठीक है, तो AB अपॉन PQ इज इक्वल्स टू BC को क्या लिखा जा सकता है? Actually, the BC is 2 times of BD because AD is the median. Okay, so we can write twice BD in the place of BC. Similarly, twice of QM in the place of QR. Okay, so this gets cancelled, and this is equals to BD upon QM is equals to AB. ठीक, अब देखो ये दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है, ठीक है. तो ये एंगल लेट्स से दिस इज 1, लेट्स से दिस इज 2, तो एंगल 1 इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल 2. नहीं, पहले इसको देखो जो भी निकालना है. BD अपॉन QM इज इक्वल्स टू AB अपॉन PQ एंड द सेकेंड थिंग एंगल 1 इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल 2. तो ट्रायंगल ABD सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल PQM. Why? By what? By side angle side similarity. Side angle side similarity. Side angle side. ठीक? Similarity. Triangle similar. So AB upon PQ is definitely going to be equal to AD upon PM. Hence proved. ठीक है, अब सेकेंड पार्ट जो था इसको इरेज कर देते हैं सब कुछ. ओके, देखो ये देखो दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर उन्होंने कर दिए थे. ठीक है, तो ट्रायंगल एंगल ADB इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल PMQ, क्योंकि अभी हम लोगों ने क्या प्रूफ किया था? एंगल ABD सिमिलर triangle PQM. Not angle, it is triangle. Okay? तो इसको तुम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? ये लिख सकते हैं, ये दोनों तो इक्वल है ना. इसको क्या लिखा जा सकता है? ये लिखा जा सकता है. Proved? Okay, so note down the question. Okay, so let's do another question. Question is, let's say this is A, this is A. ये एक NCERT का question है. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, angle 1. गिवन क्या तुम्हारे लिए? AB upon AD is equals to, एक मिनट, just first just take me the question. Okay, this is given actually. AB upon DC. Okay, this is given. And the second thing which is given is angle 1 is equals to angle 2. ठीक है? Proof क्या करना है? To prove triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. ठीक है? First with the question by yourself, then I'll be doing the question. Okay. Move. The thing which is given is AC upon AE is equals to AB upon DC. DC is equals to AD कह सकते हैं because angle 1 is equals to angle 2. ठीक, DC की जगह AD पुट कर दो. ठीक है, and angle A, angle 2 is equals to किससे प्रूव करता हूँ? ये हो गया. ठीक है, तो triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE sorry by side angle side similarity. Okay, note the question. कुछ क्वेश्चंस और देखते हैं. ABD is a right angle triangle. This is D. Right angle at A and EC is perpendicular. EC is perpendicular to BD. Proof क्या करना है? AB square is equals to BC into CD. BC into CD. देखते हैं प्रूफ क्या करना है. आई थिंक BC into BD होगा. प्रूफ करते हैं. प्रूफ हो गया, निकल आएगा. ओके, प्रूफ करते हैं. Let's say this is angle 1, this is 2, okay, this is 3, okay, so this is 2. Angle 3 is equals to angle 3. कॉमन किसमें देख रहे हैं? इन ट्रायंगल ABD एंड ट्रायंगल ABC. This is E. Okay. And angle BCA is equals to angle DAB, each 90 degrees. Each 90 degrees. Okay. So triangle ABC similar to triangle ABD by angle corollary. ओके, जब ये सिमिलर हो गए तो क्या हो गया? देखो AB अपॉन इनकी साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन हो जाएंगे, AB अपॉन BC हो जाएगा, ठीक है, और BD अपॉन क्या हो जाएगा? ये इसका हाइपोटेन्यूज है एंड BD अपॉन AB एंड इज इक्वल्स टू क्या बचा? AB हो गया, AB AD अपॉन AC ये हो जाएगा, ठीक। ये क्या बचा? BC इंटू BD था, या मुझे कंफ्यूजन हो गई थी थोड़ी, सो सॉरी। तो इन दोनों को लेते हैं, AB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू BC इंटू BD. Okay, so done, hence proof. Note the question. Let's do other question. Another question. NCERT का ही है. Actually, this is not the figure. Okay, the figure क्या था? figure यही था, मैं सही बना रही थी. ओह, तो ये फिगर है, ठीक है। प्रूफ क्या करना है? ट्रायंगल ABC इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल AMP एंड द सेकंड थिंग व्हिच वी हैव टू प्रूव इज AB अपॉन AP इज इक्वल्स टू BC अपॉन MP। ये प्रूफ करना है, ठीक है। सो लेट्स डू द क्वेश्चन। एंगल A इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल A कॉमन। देखो आप लोग एक चीज़ देख रहे होंगे कि मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस वी कैन किल बाय यूजिंग एंगल कॉरोलरी, है ना। सो इट इज दैट मच इम्पॉर्टेंट। ओके, कॉमन, ठीक। एंगल कॉरोलरी हो गया। अब एंगल PMA इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल ACB each equals 90 degrees. Okay, so triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP by angle corollary, ठीक। and okay, तो AP हम लिख सकते हैं, AB upon AP is equals to BC upon P, AB upon AP upon it is equals to BC upon P, because sides से proportion होती है ना, similar triangles की। Okay, so guys, this is all for this lecture. This is all for this video. So आज कुछ questions किए and कल भी कुछ questions करेंगे, कल कुछ और अच्छे questions करके लाएंगे। कोशिश करेंगे that most of them are of NCERT questions. Okay, so don't worry, keep growing. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and your family members. See you soon, guys, in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.